Meaning of dramaturg.
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 Dramaturg. A dramaturg is a professional within the theater industry that is responsible for providing insight and guidance on the dramatic structure, thematic elements, and historical context of a theatrical production. They work closely with directors, actors, and designers to ensure that the production aligns with the playwright's intentions and effectively conveys its message to the audience. In essence, a dramaturg serves as a bridge between the playwright's script and the rest of the creative team, helping to craft a cohesive and impactful performance.